What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a small little haul from AutoZone. A couple limited edition decals, as well as a magnet bowl picked up. I ended up getting paid 13 bucks for the magnet bowl, or $13.10 for the magnet bowl. And the decals, the decal emblems I got for free because I had $20 off. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon, excuse me, for future updates. Excuse me. Alright. Turn this light on. We're going to turn this one off. Now this, like I said in the intro, sorry the intro is a little long. Usually it's 20 seconds or less. This one is a little bit long today, but picked up a couple items. These emblems are not easy to find. I love these emblems. The most common version of these emblems now that you can find are just perfectly round. So they're actually rounded, like perfect half moon shape on each side. I am looking for another 2 of these. I like these. They look nice. The 2000 limited that I have, me and my wife have, these would go look really good on the doors on the bottom by the body line. I have these on the 2000 SR5. I call it limited edition because of all the stuff I put into it. And those were $9.98 or something a piece. I had $20 off, basically paid for those. And then I picked this this cup up, which I thought it was funny how AutoZone actually labels it OEM Tools Magnetic Nut Cup. It actually says it right here, OEM Tools Magnetic Nut Cup. It's part number 26529. It is OEM brand. You can get these from all kinds of places. You can get them from Capri Tools. You can get them from, I believe Ulsa Tools now has them. You can get them from Mac, Snap-on, Cornwell, Matco, Craftsman, I believe now has them. Stanley, I believe, has them as well. I don't know if DeWalt does, but quite a bit of people have them. But these, they're angled magnetic, very strong magnet. They're angled, so they would sit more like this. You can just toss nuts, bolts, all kinds of stuff in them. I made a joke about it, magnetic nut cup. I made a joke about it to my wife when I was picking it up. The AutoZone rep understood what my joke was. I'm pretty sure you guys will too. I'm not going to say it, but it's just a small little haul. The only thing I ended up paying for was this guy, which was 13 bucks. And it wasn't just this I paid for. It was actually the tax for these 2 items too. So 20 bucks, $9.98 for each of these. This was $9.98 as well. $9.99. Everything on here, all 3 of these items were $9.99. So $10, $20, $30. I ended up paying a total of $13.03. So I only had to pay the $10 for this plus the tax, which was $3.06. Ended up only paying $3.03 out of the tax because it was $13.03. So not a bad deal at all. Just a small little haul. Nothing like major or anything like that. I mean, this tag doesn't even have information on it. I just took it off. But I will be installing these sooner or later on the 2000 limited 4x4. I'm also looking for another set for the 1997 limited 4x4. That one's actually missing a lot of emblems. I'm gonna see if I can talk to Eric West, when I go to pick up a couple hitches as well as some mirrors from him today. See if maybe I can take the emblems off of a couple of his vehicles if they are not going to be salvaged. But just quick little haul. Doesn't need to be a very long video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. You guys got comments down, leave them down below. What do you guys think of these cups? I don't have any of these cups. I was going to end up picking some up from Capri, but the price for this one I just couldn't beat. At the moment, give it a try. If I like it, I like them, I'll buy some more. If I don't, I don't. I got lots of different things. I got the magnetic trays. I have the little pop-up trays. Oops. I have the Easy Red pop-up trays. I have the Craftsman pop-up trays. I got lots of stuff, lots of trays, magnetic trays. I use them a lot. I'm gonna drop in a screw or bolt, or keep falling. Oh, you're gonna be like that. Okay. Put them in a different tray. I also leave things I don't want to lose on these, and just leave them up on the toolbox. But that's all I got for you guys. Sorry about me dropping the bolts a couple times, but hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. You guys let me know what you like about this. I've actually had these are on my SR5 that I wrecked, and they're still there in great condition. Probably gonna peel them off and put them on another vehicle, or I'll just leave them there. I don't know, but I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Hope the information was helpful, and thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hopefully will see you guys next time. Peace!